Hi my little nation, it's me, Leanna Knives, and don't mind the forehead. I usually don't have it out during videos. I just dyed my hair yesterday. I think it looks pretty cool, pretty nice. I really like it. Now I have the Kristen palette by Urban Decay, which I'm really excited to use, especially since the colors are really vibrant and so is my hair, so I think that'd be cool. Here's what it looks like. When you open it, it has a mirror that says Stay Gold, which is really cool. And the palette looks like this. Now my original plans was to use it, but I guess swatch it first. So I'm going in with color Stripper, which is really pretty. Then one Stay Gold. And guys, I'm barely touching this. I just want to show you that the pigment is there. And let's go ahead and that's what they look like. They're really pigmented. They're really pretty too. Also, don't mind the fingernails. When you dye your hair, you automatically get like a French manicure. So, is TRM. Then I'm going to go in with Leo and Brixton, which is really cool. So I'm trying to get to both sides. Brixton's side seems a little bit, wouldn't use the word chalky, but it's definitely coming out in the kind of like chunks. Then this one is Lime Time. Wow, that's really pretty. And I'm just going to stick with 4 fingers and then do the rest. So here's Lime Time. I feel like some of these actually be really pretty highlighters, like Leo and Brixton. Those would be really pretty highlighters. Dye and Corona. Nice. The black 13th floor is really pigmented, and I didn't sometimes blacks aren't really the most pigmented thing. They come out chalky or almost gray or black. Wow. I'm running out of I was just say I'm running out of hands. Oh goodness. And the gold is beautiful. The black swatches just like it did on my finger. Everything is gorgeous. Purple, a little bit streaky, which is the one I was actually most excited to use, was that purple. But I'm going to prime my eyes using the Lock-It eyeshadow primer by Kat Von D in the shade medium. It's only fitting that you have a mermaid brush for a palette like this. This palette actually comes with its own brush, which, you know, I probably should use this brush. Let's try this one out. What kind of look do I want to go for today? Oh my god. I think I'm dyslexic. I thought the shade was called Stripper, and it says Spitfire. Okay, I'm taking that shade Spitfire, and I'm going to right here. Wow, it's pigmented. It's very like chromatic. It's really, I don't know if chromatic's the word, is it? It's very pretty. I really like this color. I'm going to take this shade Leo and Brixton, which is this one right here, and I'm actually going to slide this brush down the middle of the 2 colors, so I can get both on there. And I'm just going to fill in this space right there. And there we have that. I am going to use the shade Dye, which is that purple shade that was a little streaky, and I'm going to go underneath my lash line, my lower lash line. I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild. It's the H2O proof. And I'm just going to do a wing liner. And now I'm just setting powder underneath my eyes, which I should have done in the beginning, and I swear it's like almost every single time I do my makeup now, I forget to do something. Like I forgot to put on concealer before I did this. It just happens. My concealer was right there in front of my face. I forgot to use it. Primer, I used my Catrice Prime and Fine. If you have really oily skin, I highly recommend this primer. It is so, so good. And for foundation, I stayed with my little tried and true, which is my Super Stay by Maybelline. Love, love, love this stuff. So good. And to set my face, I used my Coty Air Spud powder. For eyebrows, I used my Maybelline Eye Studio. It's a little gel pot. Contour, I'm going to be using this cute little seashell thing. I mean, how cute is this? This is so cute. I'm going to be going in with the darker side and then the lighter side of my Milani bronzer. I really like this bronzer. I really do. And I really like this seashell thing because you can like, it's so easy. The shapes is just perfect for contour. I love this mascara. Go in with this Sleek Makeup highlighter. These colors are really beautiful. I'm actually going to swatch these for you if you guys haven't already seen them swatched. These are so pretty. Like, this highlighter palette is so good. I think these actually apply better with the finger. I'm also using another Sleek Makeup. And I'm going to be taking this color right here, which is the yellow shade. And just putting those on my cheeks. And then some on my forehead. I'm going to be using the C64 lashes. These are the red cherry ones. These are made out of 100% human hair in the color black. One of the finishing touches, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Pressed Powder. And I'm going to take a brush and just dip it in there and also just bring that right below my brow. Gives it like a clean cut, like a clean look. There we go. On camera, I probably really can't tell a difference, but in person, it works so well. Now to finish up, some setting spray. And also for lips, will be in the next video. I'm going to be trying on a ton of lip gloss products. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you then. Bye.